Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is one electric oven. It is brand wise Nikai brand electric oven. This oven actually it is a problem with the down heaters are not working. Because of that we are going to repair this oven. And first of all I will explain to you what is the problem exactly again. This machine, this unit, the top heaters working, but down portion, that's mean oven and grill, this oven heater not working, that's mean downside heaters not working. Because of that only we are going to repair this unit. And first of all I will explain to you how to work this one. After that we will troubleshoot the problem and we will go to the next step. You can see this oven. This is already 4 selector knobs are here. This is first one is temperature selector. This is 90 degrees Celsius up to 230 degrees Celsius we can select. That's mean thermostat temperature selector. This one selector switch, actually this is inbuilt, having one fan, also a griller, rotating motor. And when we are selecting here only the fan option, and also here griller motor and fan, only the griller motor, this one together, fan and griller motor. Also down one here, this is off position, and here only the up heater. You can see here this one down heater, this is up and down, this one keep warm. And this one timer, you can select 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 60 and 90 minutes, up to 90 you can select. Now I given already power. Now I'm selecting only this all options are working here, but only the problem with the down heater. Now I'm selecting up heater. It is within few minutes it will getting warm. Yeah, you can see this one inside, and too much rusty. We have to remove the rusty also with the temperature absorb paint. We have to do some enamel paint, and you can see this one now. And now I already select up heater. Now I am feeling, yeah, it is getting warm, it's heating already. I am feeling warm. But here downside, now I am going to select down heater, that's mean oven. This is too much rusty, actually we have to remove all the rust from the machine. Now see you, now it's not getting warm, that means it's not working. Now we have to check heater or selector switch defect, both we have to check, and we have to remove the cover. After that only we can decide, we can troubleshoot, and we will remove and check. So many screws are here, we have to remove all the screws, and after that only we can remove the cover. Now we will remove and check. We have to turn the unit, because this 4 legs also having 4 screws. Because of that, here also 2 screws. I remove all the screws. Now we can take it out, the cover. Now I already remove all the screws from the cover. Now we can take it out like that. Now you can check here griller motor. This is fan motor. This one light. This one griller heater. This one also, actually it's shorted. This one you can see, but heater is okay, we can check. Here downside heater also, see this burn, it is shorted already. Now we have to check heater continuity first. This is the reason it's not working. We have to check the continuity, after that only we can decide. You can see the heater is okay, no any problem heater. Yes, heater is okay, and also this one also. Anyway, this one I know it is working properly. The problem now you can see, this one already got shorted. This one here also, heater is okay. Now we have to join this one actually. After that it will be okay. It should be the permanent solution, otherwise again it will happen. Because of that we have to do some permanent solution, and I'm going to weld this one. We cannot solve this one soldering. Also this one also same thing we have to do, and I will show you how to do that. After that it will be okay. And also little bit got damage. If I'm keeping again, it is will come again complain, it will come repeat. Because of that now I'm going to do some, I'm welding here. Now I'm going to use this brass and brass powder. We have to give permanent solution here, otherwise this will come out again. Because of that I'm going to use this one. Now you can see it's not coming again. Now it's okay. Now it's little bit difficult, but it is already done. I did it. Now it will be okay. Also this one, it's not shorting again. Now we can check. Now we can check continuity again. Power connection, continuity here, one selector switch from the selector, and here yeah, it is okay, no any problem. Also this one, Yeah, that one also okay. No any problem. Now our job will be complete. Now we will check one time. Again I'm selecting, now I'm selected already here. Top heater, that's been grill heater. Now we will check it is 230 power coming or not here. And now we can check 230 power. You can see, my dear friends, it is already 230 power is here. You can see the 230 power here. Also here, that's been heater should work. Is before, so it's working sometime. Now it's already 230 power coming to the heater. You can see here. This is space and this two neutral. Now it's okay. We can check downside also. Now I'm selecting here down heater. I already selected down heater. Now we can check here again. Yes, it's 230 power coming. Also here 230 power coming. Now nothing to worry. It will work continuously without any problem, because this is loose connection coming. At that time only the having problem again. It's happening. Now it's not coming like that. Anyway, now our job already completed. I have to fix only the top cover. Also once we will check here down. You can see here smoking, because this is long time it's not working because of that smoking. Now I have to clean the internally everywhere, and after that I can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video.